Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Thomas if you're brand new here, and I make style and hair related videos every single week. So if that's your kind of thing, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell symbol so you don't miss any of my posts. Okay, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm pretty much going to be running through 3 different tips that I have for you to create volume. Now, the thing with me is I've never really had to go in search of how to create volume, and here's the reason why. It's because of my hair type, right? So I've done a lot of study on my hair type, and you would call my hair type really porous, or you would say it's got really high porosity. Now, just in basic form, what high porosity is, it means all of the cuticles, so the fish scales that are on the outside of the hair, are continuously open, and they absorb moisture really, really easily, but they also let it go really, really easily, which causes the whole frizz look. Now, I'm in summer at the moment, and it has been freaking hot, like unbelievably hot. So my hair is very, very, very porous, and it's been going very, very frizzy. But some of you guys will not have porous hair at all, right? You'll actually struggle to get volume. So I thought, well, I can share what I know. I'm not an expert in going and creating volume, because I'm pretty much just an expert in having it. But yeah, I can give you my tips of what I know and what I've learned in my hair experience over this last 3 years of having this channel. And before I even go into my tips, I actually wanted to just give you a demonstration of how big my hair can actually go, right? So I'll take it out right now. Look at this, right? So some people will look at this hair and go, that is already big and woof, right? But the truth is my hair can actually go 10 times bigger than this, and that's because it is so porous. So I'm gonna absolutely zhuzh this up to an afro. I'll show you the real potential of my volume, and then we'll get into my tips, okay? Alright, so as you can see, I've had to move back from the camera, but this is essentially as big as my hair can go. This is my true potential. Now, the reason it goes like this is A, because I just said before, it's very porous. Naturally, I just have tons of volume. Now, and all I've done, I haven't even used a product or anything, but all I've done is backcomb this and just roughed it up a bit, and that's all it needs to do this. Would I probably wear this myself? I probably wouldn't wear this anywhere, but it's nice to know that if ever I need volume, I've got it. Now, how does this relate to you, and how can you get volume? You might not want this extreme volume, which I can totally understand, but there is certain things that you can do to get your hair more voluminous. Now, tip number 1 would be to consider the type of haircut you have. There's been so much about this on the internet lately about having the right haircut for your face shape, and without going too much into detail, because it is very complex, but the tip that I wanted to give is when you shave the sides of your head and just leave the hair on top, it actually takes away from the sides and will put more emphasis on the top of your head. So without even really needing to do much, without any products, that's one way you can kind of enhance or make the illusion that your hair has more volume than it really does, by shaving these sides and buffing up the top. Now, the only thing with that is just be careful if you have a rectangle or oblong shaped face. Having a really, really long face and shaven sides actually just makes the head look even longer. So I probably wouldn't recommend that tip for anyone with a longer face shape, but the next tip you might benefit from, okay? The second tip I have for you for creating some extreme volume would be to look at products. Now, there's so many different options with products as well, so you gotta know which one's right for you, but the ones that I've seen in action and work the best and know scientifically about are volumizing powders. So what they essentially do is they cause friction between all of the hair fibers, and it actually absorbs any moisture that's in the hair. So usually with hair that isn't frizzy or hasn't got much volume, usually what's happening there is there's a lot of moisture, and what powder comes in and does, it extracts the moisture, and essentially it opens up those cuticles, which causes an effect like this. If you have low porous hair or moisturized hair, you won't get as an extreme effect as what I've got here. You'll definitely see the hairs plump out a little bit more, and that's essentially what's happening there. The powder is getting in there, it's drying it out, and it's giving you that lift. So yeah, I've seen volume powders work. I've left a couple in the description box below that you can go and look at. Behave also have one as well. It's called Gunpowder, but I don't even have it to show you here actually because I gave it to a friend because I just don't ever use it. So yeah, but Volume Powder is cool, and they also have volumizing shampoos and conditioners, which I think work in a very similar way to that, causing friction and opening up the cuticles. But yeah, that's one tip that I would recommend, and I would look into getting some kind of volumizing powder. So another tip I have for you for achieving more voluminous hair is to try out some kind of vitamins. So vitamins usually claim to grow thicker, fuller hair. Now the thicker your hair is, the more volume it's going to give you. So you can try them out. I've only found one successful brand on the market at this point in time in the hair growth sector. If you guys have been watching me religiously, you'll know I've been using the Waterman's products. So this is their Grow Pro hair vitamins. And what I noticed with these, my hair started growing back a lot plumper, but also a lot healthier. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So, and what it'll come in the form of, if you're not going to get like the Waterman's ones or whatever, it'll come in the form of like a hair, skin, and nails kind of vitamin. And what it does, they have biotin and all these different things in it to help you grow thicker, fuller hair. So that's one thing I would recommend as well. So guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed this look for today. I don't know how much more you're going to be seeing this, but I just wanted to show you my hair's true potential because seriously, it is so big. Look at it. I can't wait to make the thumbnail for this video. And thanks to the summer, it was very easy for me to get my hair like this. So a bit of back combing and kaboom, I was there. If you guys like this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also, I did say on the 21st, which is today, I'd be mentioning the giveaway winners. So that is these 5 people right here. You've all won a bottle of Waterman's Grow Me shampoo and conditioner, and I'll be sending you an email either today or tomorrow, and congratulations. That's all I have for you. Please make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and remember to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my posts. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye!